Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application. Once you're there, just head over to any group and then here, head over to this message section and tap on this paperclip icon. Now you will see the option of poll just right beside the event. Just tap on poll and here you have to ask a question like A, B, C, or D, and then give an option like A, B, C, D. You can add as many as option you want, and you can also just add multiple answers so that as they can vote on multiple options. And once you are done with your question and poll, just tap on the paperclip icon and the poll will be launched. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.